Well, here we are in Nampa, Idaho. Daytime, of course. Well, dusk or whatever. Dusk, dawn, dusk. Yeah. And this is a zombie and me daycare for all bad ghouls and buoys. So I came over here last night, but this camera don't really take good daytime or nighttime stuff. They don't collect the light that is there and let me take a video. They have a guy in a inner tube or tire over there. Now it's not going to let me come back and come off or zoom out. If I zoom out, it's busted. So we'll just go. It's one eating the brain. This one going for a hand. There's a leg there somebody didn't eat. This one's eating a spider. Or a fly or something. Fly maybe? Someone shot that one through with a shotgun. This one's eating the brain. Eating the mouse, or rat, or it's his friend. Eating a hand. Eating a leg and a brain. Taking a ride. So, some ghost faces. So, now I'll take some Pinterest pictures.